Today we're looking at the 1999 France 20 euro cents. One of the very first euro coins ever minted. This coin features the beautiful French design by Jean-Pierre Drauz, showing Marianne, the national symbol of liberty. Around her, you'll see the 12 stars of the European Union, representing unity across Europe. The reverse shows the common euro design by Luc Luycx, with the large number 20 in the European map. These coins were part of the first official euro issue in 1999, making them special for collectors. Most circulate widely, but coins in brilliant uncirculated condition can be worth €1 to €3. And proof coins may go up to €10 or more. If you enjoyed learning about the 1999 France 20 euro cents, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Rare coins and lost antiques. Your support helps us keep finding and showing these amazing coins from around the world.